Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. My name is Akshit Krishna. Today we gather to celebrate a very special day in our history, August 15th Independence Day. It is a day filled with joy, pride and remembrance. On August 15, 1947, India became an independent nation after many years of struggle. After years of protest, hard work and dedication from countless leaders and ordinary citizens, India finally achieved its dream of independence. This day is not just about celebrating freedom, it is also about honoring the heroes who made it possible. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and many others fought for our rights with courage and dedication. Let's be inspired by our history and work together to build a brighter future for everyone. Thank you. Let's make this Independence Day a memorable one. Jai Hind.